Did you know that mechanics can use sneaky tricks to drain your wallet without you even realizing it? Some scams are so common that drivers fall for them every day, even experienced car owners. In this video, I'll expose 15 mechanic scams that could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Stick around to the end because scam number 15 is one even seasoned drivers often miss, and it could save you a fortune. Number 1, the unnecessary oil change scam. Some mechanics push oil changes way more frequently than necessary, even claiming you need one every 3,000 miles. But with modern synthetic oils, many cars can go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between changes. If your mechanic insists you need an oil change every visit, check your owner's manual. That's the real schedule you should follow. But that's not the only time they'll try to sell you things you don't need. Number 2, the air filter replacement scam. Ever had a mechanic dramatically show you a dirty air filter that looks like it's been through a dust storm? Here's the trick. Some shops keep a dirty filter on hand to convince you yours is bad, even when it's still fine. Air filters usually need replacing every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but some mechanics push this far too soon. And speaking of pushing replacements you don't need, wait till you hear this next one. Number 3, the brake pad urgency scam. Some mechanics claim your brake pads are dangerously thin when they're still well above the minimum thickness. They'll use phrases like, "You're risking your life," to pressure you into paying for immediate replacements. Always ask to see the brake pads yourself. They should be at least 3 millimeters thick before you even need to consider changing them. But brake pads aren't the only thing they'll exaggerate. Number 4, the transmission flush ripoff. Some mechanics claim your transmission fluid needs flushing at every visit. The truth? Transmission fluid typically lasts 30,000 to 60,000 miles in most vehicles. Frequent flushes aren't just unnecessary, they can even damage your transmission if done improperly. Always follow your car's service schedule. And if you think that's bad, wait till you hear what they'll say about your tires. Number 5, the tire replacement. Smiting. Have you ever been told your tires are unsafe because of minor tread wear? Some mechanics push for replacements when your tires still have plenty of life left. Check the tread depth yourself using the penny test. If Lincoln's head is still covered when you insert the penny into the groove, your tires are fine. But tires aren't the only parts they'll try to scare you about. Number 6, the shocking shock absorber. Scam. Some mechanics push for shock absorber replacements when there's no sign of leaks or performance issues. They'll say your car feels loose or bounces too much. But unless you've noticed handling issues yourself, don't fall for it. Ask for a visual inspection. Leaks or excessive bouncing are the real signs of worn shocks. Next up, a scam that targets your battery and your wallet. Number 7, the battery replacement scam. A mechanic may claim your battery failed a test or is weak, even if it's perfectly fine. If you haven't had starting issues, ask to see the battery test results yourself. Better yet, test your battery at an auto parts store for free to avoid unnecessary replacements. But that's just one way they'll try to make you overpay. Number 8, the engine flush. Con mechanics may push an engine flush treatment, claiming it's essential to clean sludge buildup. But unless you've neglected oil changes for years, modern engines rarely need this. In fact, an engine flush can sometimes dislodge harmless debris, causing more problems than it solves. And if you think that's bad, wait until they start poking around your radiator. Number 9, the coolant flush scam. Some mechanics insist you need a coolant flush every year, but most modern cars can go 5 years or 50,000 miles before this is necessary. Unless your coolant appears dirty or you're facing overheating issues, don't fall for this premature service. But there's one more flush trick that's just as sneaky. Number 10, the power steering flush lie. Power steering fluid rarely needs changing unless it's contaminated. Yet some mechanics push this service just to add an extra charge to your bill. If your power steering feels smooth and quiet, your fluid is likely just fine. But they won't stop there. They'll even mess with your alignment. Number 11, the fake wheel alignment scam. Some mechanics push alignments every visit, claiming it's crucial for tire wear. Unless you've hit a major pothole or notice your car pulling to one side, alignments are often unnecessary. Always ask for before and after alignment readings if you're unsure. Next, they'll try to convince you to fix something that isn't broken. Number 12, the spark plug replacement. Lie mechanics sometimes push spark plug replacements at 30,000 miles, but many modern vehicles have platinum or iridium plugs that last up to 100,000 miles. Check your manual before agreeing to a premature change, but it doesn't stop at spark plugs. They'll even create fake leaks. Number 13, the leaking oil scam. Some mechanics may drip a bit of oil around your engine to make it seem like you have a leak. Always ask to inspect the area yourself or request a second opinion before approving costly repairs. If you thought that was sneaky, wait until they start playing games with your belts. Number 14, the belt replacement scam. While timing belts do need periodic replacement, some shops claim your serpentine belt is cracked when those small surface cracks are perfectly normal. Unless it's severely worn or frayed, you probably don't need a new one yet. And finally, here's the biggest scam that could cost you the most. Number 15, the mystery repair scam. Some mechanics diagnose a vague engine problem without providing details, then charge you for repairs you didn't need. Always ask for a clear explanation and a breakdown of parts and labor costs. If they can't explain the issue clearly, walk away. By knowing these scams, you're one step closer to saving your hard-earned money and keeping your car in top shape. Which of these scams surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching and drive safe.